Everyone, welcome back. Nate here with 911 Rapid Response. Thanks again for joining us here on our upfit page. Today we have for you a 2025 Dodge Durango Pursuit. This vehicle's been upfitted for the Hazleton Police Department. And we've done some K-9 additions to this, so it will be home to their new K-9 Kiko. And we'll get to some more details on that as we get to the graphics and later on in the video. Starting at the front, we have a Weston push bumper. Push bumper is going to be housing two Whelen ions in the top channel. And on each side of the push bumper, we have surface mounted Whelen T-Series. And then again, below the headlights on the corners of the bumper, we have another pair of Whelen T-Series surface mounted. So the vehicle's currently in a park mode. This is a daytime flash that you're seeing. And our main piece of warning equipment atop the roof is the Whelen Legacy Duo light bar. You will see one module on the right side, or I'm sorry, the left side where the red is. It's been removed and we've inserted a preemption module there. So we have a strobe preemption mounted in the light bar, which is not going to be active in our park setting. Side rear warning in the back window. Interior side, we have another Whelen T-Series. And while we're here, we can take a look at the graphics package designed and installed by Market Graphics. Great job by our team here. They were given some creative freedom. They got a picture of the dog, and there you see Kiko. We transferred that photo onto a graphic and applied it to the side of the vehicle. So again, great work done by the team there to complete that phase of the project. Finish off the lighting at the rear of the vehicle, as well as some graphics additions on the tailgate. Whelen Inner Edge RST. 8-lamp module on the inside of the window there, and we've got another pair of Whelen T-Series. Inside the cargo area, we have an OPS single drawer storage unit, flat top storage on the top. Those rails around the three sides are going to provide you with access points or points where we can secure down a cargo strap. And we've also got another pair of T-Series here on the hatch for overhead warning when the hatch is up. And for K-9 additions, we have an Ace K-9 system, hot and pop. This is going to manage temperature as well. The officer will have a remote to pop the door there, as well as the ability to pop from the interior, the console of the vehicle. And we've got an American aluminum K-9 solution with prisoner containment on the passenger side. So 2/3 K-9, 1/3 containment. Fit with window bars on both sides, and we've also got the 10-inch fan from Ace K-9 there on the driver's side. We'll take a look on the passenger side at the containment area. And we'll finish off in between the seats. Havis vehicle specific console with the printer mount at the head. So we've got the Brother Pocket Jet printer installed there, along with a roll of paper. The head of the console, that hides that very nicely. Whelen Sencom Core control head, that's our rotary knob and slide variant. And then we've also got controls for our Ace K-9. On fan control on a manual switch there. And that's also managed by the computer system in the Ace K-9 system as well. And we've got interior lighting at the containment area on a toggle there. So if I'll hop in here and we can go over some flash patterns that we've installed, programmed into the system. So again, we have our daytime park. We're in slide 3. We'll go ahead out of park. It's going to activate preemption, and it's going to activate our priority response flash. Low power park or nighttime park might be a little bit difficult to see here in the daytime. We have a scene function, so take down left alley, right alley. You can activate those all at the same time. And we've also got a cruise feature. So very nice project here. Great work done by our team all throughout all the phases. And make sure you like, subscribe, follow all of our social media outlets. Let us know what you think of this project below. We'll see you next time.